Did you know that your heart can continue beating even when it is outside of your body? Wild, isn't it? This isn't a science fiction plot, but a captivating reality of our biology. Our heart, the life-sustaining engine, has a mind of its own. It owes this impressive feat to something called intrinsic cardiac cells. These cells conduct electrical impulses, causing the heart to beat, independent of the body. Baffled? Let's delve into the science behind this fascinating fact. So how can the heart beat outside the body? The secret lies within the heart itself. You see, our hearts have their own little rhythm section, playing a life-sustaining beat that doesn't need any direction from the brain. This independent rhythm is what we call the heart's intrinsic rhythm. Now let's get to know the band leader of this rhythm section, the sinoatrial node, or as we like to call it, the heart's pacemaker. These pacemaker cells are the maestros that keep the heart beating in time, even when it's not connected to the brain. They generate electrical signals that set the tempo of your heart, causing it to contract and relax in a steady rhythm. But what triggers these pacemaker cells to send out these signals? Well, that's where electrolytes come into play. Think of them as the drumsticks in the hands of the pacemaker cells. When the right balance of electrolytes like potassium and sodium pass through the cell membranes, they cause a change in electrical charge. This change triggers the pacemaker cells to send out a signal, causing the heart muscles to contract, and voila, you've got a heartbeat. So you see, it's not magic or some strange phenomenon. It's just the heart doing its thing, marching to the beat of its own drum, or rather, its own pacemaker cells. So the heart, in essence, has its own little brain that keeps it beating, whether it's inside or outside the body. So we've learned that our heart is quite the independent organ. It's a marvel of engineering that doesn't require our brain's instruction to do its job. It's got its own built-in pacemaker, the sinoatrial node, which fires off electrical impulses, causing our heart to contract and beat. This rhythm is so ingrained in the heart cells, known as the intrinsic cardiac cells, that even when removed from the body, these cells continue to beat. This is a testament to the resilience and autonomy of the human heart. Electrolytes like sodium, potassium, and calcium play a crucial role too. They ensure the smooth transmission of electrical signals across the heart, maintaining that steady rhythm we all know and count on. And so the beat goes on, whether the heart is nestled in our chest or bravely pulsating in the palm of a surgeon's hand. Remember, the heart doesn't just feel, it also thinks for itself. Now, isn't that a heart-stopping fact to ponder?